is two young ladies, Mercy and Jersey, that I met last week with their friend, and they have memorized the Ten Commandments. And I'm going to ask them to quote the Ten Commandments at this time. Okay, go ahead.
God owes His word. I am the Lord thy God, which have brought thee out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image or any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. Thou thyself to them, nor serve them. For I, the Lord thy God, am a jealous God, visiting the iniquity of the fathers upon the children, unto the third and fourth generation of them that hate me, and showing mercy of thousands of them that love me and keep my commandments. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord in vain, the Lord thy God in vain. For the Lord, He will not hold him guiltless that taketh His name in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. For in 6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy work. But the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. In it thou shalt not do any work. Nor thy son, nor thy daughter, thy manservant, nor thy maidservant, nor thy cattle, nor thy stranger that is within thy gate. For in 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth, the sea, and all that in them is, and rested in 7 days. Wherefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and hallowed it. Honor thy father and thy mother, that thy days may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God giveth thee. Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not commit adultery, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor.
That's great. That's Exodus chapter 20, the Ten Commandments of God, that is found in the original King James Version of the Bible and also in the original Catholic Bible. If you look it up in your Bibles, you will find it will read exactly as they have just quoted it.